Good morning everybody and welcome to today's job. Today's job is a surface clean, a treat and a rinse, and we are cleaning a patio in Creech St Michael in Taunton. As you do a little walk through, you can see there's quite a bit of growth, quite a bit of algae, quite a few slippy spots. It's a rather large patio, it's a very nice patio, but it does come with some problems. The customer kindly informed me of a couple of issues prior to starting, so she made me aware of some really poor drainage. When there's a heavy downpour, they get some quite large puddles. The customer had made an attempt to give it a clean themselves, but decided to give us a call in and get the job done as they had guests. So they gave us a call, booked us in, and then we got the job done. Thankfully, the customer did inform me of the drainage issues before I obviously started, so I was mentally ready, mentally prepared. I did have to attack this patio in a number of ways, so I had to sort of do one stage at a time, sort of pre-warned that the patio was going to give me problems with the drainage, so I had to obviously do section by section. I started off in this area here with a little path, and then moved towards the area which is most likely a puddle. With the fact that obviously there's a lot of litres flowing through our machine, that the water flow is very high, more than you would sort of encounter on a traditional downpour. The puddles started to form quite quickly and they become quite large. I was quite impressed with how the patio cleaned. It was cleaned quite easy. If you look at these pictures now during, this customer kindly made me some bacon egg sandwich during my break, so I was very impressed with that. It was very nice. Well, thank you. As you can see, I'm trying to tackle that puddle in the corner, but it was just too much. So I moved on, let it dry out a bit, let it dissipate. If you guys are enjoying the content and you would like to see more, do take the time to subscribe. It really helps us grow and it's really appreciated. As the job went on, the drainage issues did prove worse. Literally every corner has its own issue. So the job did take a lot longer than it normally would. But we still got the job done. The customer was very happy. Outside of the area that I'm cleaning now in the main shot, there was a couple of areas that were off camera that I cleaned. There was a circular stone, there was the front path, and a few other areas at the end. You'll see the before and afters of them. that's the surface cleaned, rinsed. Now it's time for the treatment. And then they showed pretty much done. The camera died shortly after applying the treatment, so I didn't get to do the rinse on camera, but we have a little look at the walkthrough at the end. You can see it's loads improved, it's loads nicer. The stones come really nice, the steps come really well. The patio looks nice and fresh, nice and clean as we walk through now to the path. And the edge in stone totally transformed, it's no longer green. Have a look through the before and after pictures. A bit off camera, loads better, loads nicer, and the main patio. Do take some time to subscribe, it really helps us grow. Find us on other platforms, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter. Thank you for watching, we'll see you at the next job.